Welcome back to Auto Explorer, the ultimate destination for deep dives into the most exciting vehicles of our time. Today, we're shifting gears into the world of innovation and bold design as we take a closer look at the 2025 TY-214. This isn't just another futuristic concept. The TY-214 is a production-ready masterpiece that blends performance with purpose. Strap in as we explore its history, exterior design, performance credentials, and standout features. Let's start with a bit of background. The TY-214 traces its lineage back to the highly experimental TY-200 series, first showcased in 2019. Developed by a collaboration between tech-driven automotive engineers and aerospace-inspired designers, the TY-214 was envisioned to challenge conventional automotive norms. By 2023, prototypes were already being spotted at high-altitude testing facilities, proving the TY-214's adaptability to extreme environments. Fast forward to 2025, and what we have now is a fully realized machine that commands attention on any road. Now, let's talk about that exterior design. From the very first glance, the TY-214 breaks away from traditional styling cues. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, featuring sharp angular lines that slice through the air with minimal resistance. Its front fascia is a bold statement in itself, featuring a split headlamp design with ultra-slim LED DRLs perched atop aggressive trapezoidal projectors. This gives the TY-214 a menacing yet highly technical presence. The grille is more of a panel than an opening, suggesting a focus on efficiency and possibly hinting at an advanced hybrid or electric drivetrain underneath. Moving along the side profile, you'll notice its low-slung stance and prominent character lines that create a visual sense of movement even when the car is standing still. The wheel arches are muscular and host massive 22-inch alloy wheels with a turbine-inspired spoke design. Flush door handles and a seamless window line create a sleek, uninterrupted silhouette, adding to its futuristic character or active aerodynamic elements built into the side skirts and rear quarter panels. These components adjust at high speeds to enhance stability and cornering performance. At the rear, the TY-214 maintains its dramatic aesthetic. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, visually connecting both sides of the car and giving it a high-tech rear signature. Just below it, a sculpted rear diffuser incorporates dual vertical aero fins and hidden exhaust outlets. This isn't just for show. It contributes to the vehicle's high-speed performance and downforce management. A retractable rear spoiler, almost invisible at rest, deploys at speeds above 90 km/h for added aerodynamic efficiency. Now let's touch on performance. While the official specs haven't been fully disclosed, sources suggest that the TY-214 features a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup. Combined output is estimated to be over 600 horsepower, allowing the vehicle to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in under 3.5 seconds. The chassis is constructed from ultra-lightweight carbon aluminum composite, reducing curb weight while increasing torsional rigidity. The suspension system is adaptive, with real-time electronic damping control that adjusts to road conditions and driving style. Whether you're tackling hairpin turns or cruising along the highway, the TY-214 delivers a dynamic and stable ride. In terms of features, the exterior of the TY-214 is equipped with some of the most cutting-edge tech we've seen. Integrated lidar sensors are subtly embedded into the front bumper and roofline, supporting Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities. Cameras replace traditional mirrors, projecting real-time images onto internal displays for improved aerodynamics and visibility. The roof is fully solar-enhanced, feeding auxiliary power into the vehicle's electronics to improve range and efficiency. Even the windshield features smart tinting glass that automatically adjusts to light conditions. Overall, the 2025 TY-214 is a showcase of forward-thinking design and high-performance engineering. Every element of its exterior has been meticulously crafted to enhance aerodynamics, aesthetics, and function. It's not just a car. It's a statement about where the future of mobility is headed. From its radical design language to its blistering performance potential, the TY-214 proves that the future has already arrived. That's all for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 TY-214, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Explorer. We'll be back soon with more high-octane reviews and exclusive content from the cutting edge of automotive innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.